What if the thing you've been running from is the exact thing that was going to save you? Most people spend their whole life trying to make things easier. Less pressure, less stress, less discomfort. But the science says something completely different. And once you hear it, you'll never look at pressure the same way again. There's a famous study from the 1900s. Two psychologists, Yerkes and Dotson. They were testing how pressure affects performance. And what they found shocked people. Zero pressure? Performance was terrible. Too much pressure? Performance collapsed. But right in the middle, the sweet spot, where there was just enough pressure, people performed at their absolute peak, focused, sharp, locked in. They called it the optimal zone. And every high performer in history, whether they knew it or not, was living inside it.
Here's what's actually happening in your brain when you're under the right amount of pressure. Your body releases adrenaline and cortisol, not the bad kind, the focused kind. Your brain sharpens. Distractions disappear. Suddenly, you're only thinking about one thing, the problem in front of you. Scientists call this eustress, good stress. It's the same feeling you get before something important, a deadline, a competition, a moment that matters. That feeling isn't anxiety. That's your brain switching into its highest gear. The problem isn't the pressure. The problem is that most people never learn how to use it.
Here's what nobody tells you. Comfort doesn't build you. Comfort maintains you. And maintaining is just a slow way of going backwards. When you remove all pressure from your life, you remove all reason to grow. Your brain has no signal that says you need to be better than this. But when you put yourself in a position where getting better is the only option, something switches on inside you. You find solutions you didn't know you had. You push past limits you thought were permanent. You discover a version of yourself that comfort would have never shown you. The greats didn't wait to feel ready. They built the pressure themselves. Deadlines they didn't have to set. Standards higher than anyone asked for. Situations where retreating wasn't an option. They forced their own growth. And it worked. So here's what you do with this. Pick one area of your life you've been comfortable in for too long and raise the standard. Tell someone your goal, so now you're accountable. Set a deadline that makes you slightly uncomfortable. Sign up for the thing before you feel ready. Create the pressure. Because if you don't, life will stay exactly as it is. And you already know that's not enough. Pressure isn't the enemy. Pressure is the signal. It means something real is happening, something worth showing up for. Stop avoiding it. Start using it. Subscribe to Control State. Drop in the comments. What's one area of your life you've been too comfortable in? I'll see you in the next one.